had a knock on the door. Breakfast is delivered.
Special delivery.
Cool. Will you unpack it for us? You can put it down, I think. You have to balance it.
Look at all those goodies.
Can't really see. Maybe you can.
We've got fruit selections. Some breaded yum-yums.
Yeah.
With butters. And looks like some oatmeal goodness.
Eggs.
Egg basket.
Want to make up some eggs? Jam or something?
Yeah.
Is that your jam?
Assuming we got some juices. Juices, I believe.
Yeah.
It's like milk. I'll put that in my coffee.
Put that in the fridge.
Alright.
Sweet. Let's make up some eggs.
Breakfast is served. Okay. Look at these lovely guys.
I hope you like them fried, sunny side up.
Yeah, I'm not picky.
How much go? You made a mess of it.
Yeah. Perhaps I cracked the eggs too enthusiastically.
Would you like a plate or a bowl?
I think a plate. You? Yeah, poolside breakfast. Eggs and breads and fruits, granolas and juices, coffees and yum-yums. Exciting? Cool. Fruitside pool. Very nice. Feels good on the tootsies, I imagine.
What?
Must feel good on the tootsies, I said. Your toes.
I said tits.
That would be far more scandalous.
They're not in the water. Look at you doing vacation dishes. Look at that. What a good man friend.
It's a pretty cool setup. I guess I've said that several times.
Yeah.
But it's still true. Right in your little book.
Yeah, I am.
I'm gonna have a coffee with you.
Is your coffee ice cold by now?
Yeah, probably, but that's alright. Just as long as it's caffeinated. Glug, glug, glug.
It is. Always
Alright.
have more.
This is our first full day in Gili Air. I'm gonna try to do some snorkels, as I understand.
Yeah, we're gonna pack a little day bag and go and see some of the coral along the, I don't know what you call it. There's like a sandy bit, and then there's like a coral wall, and then there's a drop off. And all along there, apparently there's tons of really nice coral, and often you can see sea turtles.
That's dope.
Hoping, don't want to get my hopes up too high, but it'd be pretty great.
Am I not turtly enough for the turtle club?
I hope you are, but we'll rig up our GoPros and see what we can.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Not sea, ocean.
See what we can ocean.
Yeah. Let's go do snorkels. That's how the professionals say it, right?
Sure.
Yeah.
So we figured out what this thing is. You want to tell the camera?
What's up?
Want to tell them what it's called?
I forget already. Salat?
Salac. Or
Dragon skin fruit?
snake skin fruit.
Snake skin, yeah.
It does look like snake skin.
Mm-hmm.
You were saying they kind of look like dragon eggs. Where are my dragons? But all the information I read online says that it's not an appealing flavor to the Western palate.
I really enjoyed it.
They'd be very wrong. It's delicious. It's kind of like an apple or a pear in its crunch value, or crunch factor. Something about it kind of, to me, tastes a little bit like a jackfruit, though. Just a little. Yeah. Taste it. How would you explain the flavor?
Sweet.
Yeah.
It's almost like a lychee, like sweetness.
Yeah, there's a little bit of lychee flavor to it.
But yeah, crunchier. Unless that's a factor of its ripeness, I don't know. But yeah, absolutely love it.
It's more flavorful than the dragon fruit was.
Yeah, and yet the dragon fruit is more flavorful than the dragon fruit you can get back in Canada. For the most part.
Yeah. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit? Probably a grapefruit.
Yeah. I'd say grapefruit or lychee. I love lychee.
A few moments later.
pretty amazing. I didn't think that we would see multiple turtles just, yeah, so close to the shore. So this is an amazing place to snorkel. Not that I know anything about snorkeling, but if you know nothing about snorkeling, you can just pop in the water and swim for 10 minutes or less. And yeah, we didn't go very far out. We just swam very leisurely. Yeah, it was really cool. Hopefully you enjoy our little shots.
So were you going to tell me or the internet first?
I already told you, so I'll tell the internet second. But I guess when I was swimming just now, examining the giant turtles, I appear to have lost my ring.
He says it was accidental. Jerk.
You heard the sound, so you know I did.
Aw, that's too bad. That thing's been through a lot. It looked real rough.
Oh. Luckily, I don't think that has any bearing on our marriage.
Oh, I might.
Oh,
Watch it, kid.
Is that the law? We're done now? You've been saying forever that you want to get us tattoos, or you want us to get tattoos.
Maybe we get tattoos. We can get tattooed here.
And yet I'm so proud to be 40 and never have gotten a tattoo.
I don't think getting a wedding ring
They'll
tattoo
throw me out
counts.
of the onsen when I go to Japan.
No.
They'll look at my thing and they'll be like, oh, grab me up by the scruff of the neck and the butt, and they'll just, whoa. So we just went on a little snorkel adventure.
Yes, we did.
And we swam for probably not even 10 minutes, and we found some giant turtles.
2 of them.
We got some
2 of them bitches.
cool footage on the GoPros, and
Yeah.
can't wait for those vlogs. Oh yeah. So I think we actually found the footage, the exact moment where I lost my ring, and we'll drop that footage right here. Hello.
Time for a quick dip before lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Splash. You're gonna need me to get your glasses out. It's funny that you just slowly sunk into the pool and it sounded like you did a cannonball.
Oh shit, the phone. I didn't know it was in my pocket.
Shit. And your glasses are at the bottom too.
Yeah, well that's not a problem. I hope that's not broken.
Seems fine. I'm gonna leave it right here. Also,
Don't have a bag of rice to put in. What up there, internet?
hey camera.
So you'll often hear YouTubers talk about how there's highs and lows to travel.
Yeah.
And it can range from devastating to not that big of a deal to just really inconvenient.
Yeah.
We've had a series of little bumps this particular journey.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a warm, tropical, beautiful paradise, and that is all amazing. But here's a tiny list of things that have gone slightly wrong.
Well.
I'm a watch guy. I live by my watch. My watch broke the second we were leaving for the airport, so every 10 seconds I'm looking at my naked wrist, and that's a pain. And went swimming, lost my ring in the ocean, that's a pain. Dropped my phone in the pool, so that's completely gone, which means I can't access like my boarding passes. I can't use the internet to like figure out maps and things. And
Or take pictures.
Or take pictures or videos. I probably lost a whole bunch of pictures and videos from this trip, which puts a big dent into our vlogging process. Still the GoPros. And these are all in the grand picture, trivial little things, but man, do they ever like...
I also lost the lens cap to our camera.
Lens cap to the camera.
Not a huge deal.
Got my health mostly, and we're still in paradise, so...
Just gotta be happy about it.
Yeah, you gotta make the most.
Bad timing too, right before we left, we had to pay 13 grand for a new furnace, so it felt kind of like we're leaving for this great adventure feeling like, ooh, we don't have any money to go on this adventure. So, you know.
Yeah.
that's the end of this. We're gonna go to a
Engine
beach
corner complete.
and hang out there and try to get a little happier.
Drown our sorrows
Yeah.
and ourselves.
I hope we don't drown. We saw two giant turtles and we thought that was a good omen. No.
Bad omen. Your little bun buns.
Yeah. Bun buns make us happy. Right, Bubs?
Right.
This finally says the battery went down one.
Oh.
Bougainvillea has definitely become one of my favorite plants because it reminds me so much of all my adventures in Southeast Asia.
And Bob Vila.
I remember my roommate at the time, Leanne, had a plant of one. And it was the saddest little plant that would like bloom maybe one flower every couple of years.
Mm-hmm.
And then I went to Laos and saw it everywhere, like big bushes of it. And that just seemed so magical. That's something that, I don't know if it was Leanne's amazing gardening skills or the fact that Canada's cold, but it does not grow in Canada.
Yeah, that's too bad.
But it grew everywhere, like a weed, all over Laos and Thailand.
And here.
And here. See, there's all these solar panels over there.
I didn't even see them. I still don't. Just in the ground?
Oh, over here. Big flat things.
Oh, I see.
Look at the beautiful bougainvillea.
Yeah.
I love when the white and the pink is mixed together like that.
Yeah, it's a good look.
Wiggle, wiggle.